Well, here I am again at my favorite spillway. Had the day off, the sun's shining. I thought, what the heck, let's go catch a few more fish for the end of the year. I'm gonna go down and fish the creek end of it and then work my way back up to here later. So, see what happens. Talk to y'all later. There we go, finally. Well, it took a while. Little guy, but he hit it good. Here, buddy. You gonna be number one today? Appreciate it. So it seems like you little guys bite first. You guys are cold. Thank you, bud. It took a while. There we go. It took 50 minutes from the first one to the second one. That was slow. Thank you, buddy. Wow. Well, you were still shallow. Why'd you? Oh, your markings are so pretty this time of year. They're so clear and fat. Buddy, you're a sight for sore eyes. Thank you much. Way over there. Whoa, that's new. Never caught none that far over. Oh, that's nice. That's a good one too. Huh. Never caught one that far over there. So we need to slow down over there. All right, nice. Look at how fat that fish is. Look how fat he is. Oh my goodness. That is such a pretty fish. Oh my goodness. Look at that little guy. Man, nice markings, healthy. I thank you very much, buddy. I'm about ready to quit. Okay, I'm sitting right there. There he goes. There's another one. Aha! I think I might have figured something out. Fish a little farther over, a little slower. Thank you. My goodness. And he ate it too. Wow. Good job, buddy. There, my fingers are too big just to push down in there. There we go. Thank you, sir. So, just wasn't fishing slow enough, and it's the right distance. There's one right there on the bank. Next cast. And it feels like a good one. Oh, this might be the bigger of the pond. Or it could be a catfish. What is going on, buddy? Rod. Oh, he's not that big. He's a fighter. Holy crap. Come here, buddy. Look how clean you guys are. Oh, we got the old red lips. Look at the markings. Awesome. Thank you. Well, we're going to work our way back up toward the spillway. I gave you a spot hour and a half, ended up with 5. So it wasn't too bad. We had that nice little flurry there for a little bit, and then it kind of slacked off again. So we're going to move on up. Okay. Next spot, looks like the water's really dropped some, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, she went way down. Wow. Yep. Yeesh. Well, that's it for this spillway today. Did decent in the creek, but didn't catch nothing but a couple bluegills here in the spillway, so we might head over to Klaus Lake, see if there's anything in that spillway before we head home. If not, I'll see you all later. Thanks. There we go. What do we get? What do we got? Little bass. Huh. Wow, that's a cute little guy. Hey, buddy. God, look at the markings on this when they're cold. Thank you, sir. There we go. That's something. Another little one. Huh. I'll be darned. Hi, guy. You guys are little down in here. Ooh, something tried to get you. Yeah, something tried to get you. Get in there. You swim back the way you came. There you go. There we go. We got another one. All right, another little bass. Well, ain't no giants in here, but hey, they're hitting good. Boy, they're so pretty. The markings on them are just so nice. Look at the markings. Thanks, sir. Oh, that's clear as water. There we go. Had to fish out there a little deeper. Slow down a little bit. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Come here. Come here. Oh, you took her good. Hi, buddy. You look nice. Look at your markings. Wow. That's awesome. Thank you, sir. There we go. Another one. You just stop it. You don't even really hit it hard. Look at him. Shake that head. Shake that head. There you go. Little guy, get up here. Thank you. There, we're gonna have to use pliers on you. There you go. Thank you, little guy. Thank you. Whoa! Drop off. There we go. There we go. Well, he ain't very big, boy. You hit her good. Just gotta go real slow for these guys. Water's getting so cold, but they're taking it good. Yeah. And you're rolling that slow. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Thank you. I know there's a bigger one in here. I know there is. Just gotta find him. There's one. He's a little farther up there. There we go, another little one. Yeah, we're finding them at least. Yeah, we're finding them. There, buddy. Come here. You're a little bigger. All right. Thank you, sir. Nice. There he is, right there. He was shot. You're a little guy, but buddy, you hit her hard. You guys are aggressive for being cold water. Hey, buddy. A little bit. I like you. There we go. Oh, there's one. That could be the last one. Oh, there we go. There you go. About time. There we go. Took a while to find you. Hey, buddy. I think I remember you. Look at you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy. You're nice. Thank you, guy. Awesome. Took a lot of casts to find you. There you go. Well, that's it. I think I've caught all I'm going to catch today. Go home, get warmed up a bit, get some supper. Well, maybe we'll get a chance later this year to do some more, but I don't know, it's really slowed down. Water's getting really cold, so we'll see what goes on. Appreciate it.